Being on a boat, whether it's been propped correctly or incorrectly, a boat will labor. You put 4 or 5 people on it, and it takes you a football field to get the boat up on plane. That's propeller. Propeller changes that. In a perfect world, we have shifting propellers, but they're thousands of dollars. If we had a transmission on a boat, it would make it much more applicable for every application. Now we use props. We use props for torque, mid-range, or speed, especially for your comp ski boats, your surf boats, your wakeboard boats. Your ski boat does not make a good surf boat because it's trying to go 42 miles an hour with very little wake. Your surf boats want to weigh 5,000 pounds, go 3.5 miles an hour, and create a 5-foot wave for that perfect surf. So there's different blades for different applications in every one of those. Your local dealer more than likely doesn't know quite those ins and outs. They've got enough to deal with. They're selling you a hell of a product. We're making sure that product is correct and maintained correctly.